Hi, good evening. In my last video, I explained you about the easy search. Now look at the advanced search option. So when you log in, you will see this option on your left side in the search resume portion. You see here, search resumes, advanced search. Okay. This is one option. You can click here and directly go here. Let's see. Okay. You can see this advanced search page. Okay. This is one option. Other option is on the menu bar, you can see Resitex search resumes. Click on this, it will take you to the same page. Okay. So first thing what you need to do is on the right side, you will see a small icon which is called set settings. So set your preferences by going here. Okay. So basically you can configure what you want um, to get your results. Okay. So candidates active in last 30 days, you can change it to the months, 2 months, 3 months, or 6 months, or what are the time frame. Notice period. So I usually keep 15 days or less because I always look for immediate joiners. Sort by relevance. Resumes per page, I'll keep it 160. This is the maximum number that can allow by Naukri. And search in, you have a lot of options here. Enter resume, resume synopsis, resume title, and key skills. Okay, I usually keep this enter resume because it gives you better result. Okay, and there are other options like IMatch, keyword suggestion, keyword, IT skills, and other options like search colors, themes. Okay, the way you want to display your results, right? So these basically actually enhances your results. Okay, so we'll talk in this detail later. um, so once you've done your already these default settings, you save it and you'll see your settings have been saved. Okay, then go back to search resumes option and you see this page display, and all whatever by default you set the configured, that will display here. All right, take the example. Notice period, you set it for 15 days or less. Same way, resume per page you put 160 and active in 30 days. So these are the settings, you set it already. Okay, right. Now I'll take the same example and I'll show you how it works here. So in advanced search options, you have option called turn boolean on or turn boolean off. When you turn boolean off, you have keyword search comes in place. You switch between, you can switch between these two. Okay, let's try with boolean. All right. So in this, you have three different boxes: any keywords, all keywords, excluding keywords. Okay, all keywords is an option where you just type in your technology. I'll just show you how it works. Pentaho, ETL, Secure. Okay, so ensure that you always separate the technology or a keyword by a comma. Okay, by default it will take as combination of all these technologies. The operator and works here. Okay, if you keep the technology or keywords here, it will take or. Here, if you keep any words here, it will take exclude those technologies or keywords. Okay, basically all three together here. This any keywords means and operator. Any sorry, all keywords means and operator. Any keywords means or operator. Excluding keywords means not operator. Okay, so you don't have to type in exclusively for that. So total experience, I'll keep it 4 years to 7 years, which I've shown already in my previous experience. Current location, I'll put type. I'll put Pune, okay, Pune, Maharashtra. And you have a lot of options here. You can explore it later. And I have a checkbox here called preferred location is same as above. I click this and you have two options here, end and or. So if you keep end, it will show you the profiles which are from Pune location and who are looking for only Pune location. If you keep this option, or it will show you people from Pune from other locations who are looking for Pune locations. This gives you wider coverage, right? And employment details. You have functional area, industry, employees, all this. Functional area is nothing but different functions. You can pick up HR, you can pick up legal, you can pick up production, whatever functions. It depends on the JD what you're looking at. Same way industry, different industries are available. Analytics, BPO, automobile, electronics, hardworking, insurance, whatnot. You all have options. Okay, you can pick up whatever it is, and also employers. You may be targeting certain candidates from particular employee. Okay, say XYZ company. You can give that option here, and it will show you all the candidates from that particular company. Right? Similarly, you can exclude employers. Suppose you don't want to hire anybody from that particular company. So you can exclude, you can give it here, it will exclude all the profiles. Maybe you're hiring for XYZ company and you don't hire, get the results from the same company because you'll not be hiring the same uh, candidates from the same employer, right? So it will actually narrow down and filter it out and I show you the results. Designation, you have an option. Notice period, we already discussed. And education details, you have an option of any UG qualification, specific UG qualification, no UG qualification, similarly PG qualifications. Let's take an example, specific UG qualifications, right? Take in any engineering and you have a lot of options here, any management, diploma, medical, bachelor of science, uh, bachelor of hotel management. Based on the qualification required which is mentioned in the JV, you pick it up. Okay, here in this case, since my requirement is more of Toho, which is IT, I'll pick up any engineering, or if I have the option called MSc computers or MCA or anything, I will pick it up. MSc comes under masters. Okay, so I can pick it up from here, right? So similarly, additional details are there. You have categories like SC, ST, OBC, creamy layer. Typically, government sector this works out, but if any private organization has specific need, you can take this option. And also you have such differently able candidates only. So some specific drives happens exclusively for differently able people. Some companies hire. So in those cases, this is will help you to get the profiles. Similarly, diversity based on the gender, what kind of profile you need, you click an option here, and then it will give you the results. Say, also you have a lot of options like candidates, work status. So same work status. Let's say an example, you hiring somebody offshore, and you want people to travel on site, maybe for a certain period of time, for a long period of time. Then you can look for in the profiles, okay, uh, whether the candidate has green card holder, or TN permit visa, or US citizen, or anything. Maybe you request somebody, a US citizen who is residing in India right now and you want to travel to USA. Maybe this result can give you, okay. And display, you can choose different options here, okay. People who are verified mobile number by Naukri, people who have verified email ID, or people who modified candidates, or people who have only profile has attached resume, all those things, right? Similarly, show candidates seeking full-time employment, part-time employment. These options also available here, okay? Temporary jobs and everything. So resume purpose we already discussed, sort by relevance and semantic search. Semantic search actually gives you more relevant profiles. Okay, active in 30 days we already discussed. And this one more option called save the current search from as your default search place, right? So when you do a lot of search frequently, and if you don't want to spend more time repeating the same thing and again, you can set this click and give one common filter. And when you log in, it actually displays that, and based on that, you further enhance the results. Okay, this is how it works. Okay, so let's go with this example and see how your search actually working. You see 21 profiles displayed. Okay, see all the profiles shown are combination of ETL, Pentaho, SQL. So it has taken this operator end and displayed all the results. Okay, and let's see the keyword search. Okay, now I'll just do the turn boolean of, I'll give option Pentaho ETL SQL. Okay, let's see how it goes. You got a lot of profiles here. The reason being you use the operator OR. That means it will pick up any one of the technology given or a keyword given from that option, right? It has ETL, Pentaho, and SQL. The first profile has all of them. If you go through each and every profile, you see ETL is here, SQL is here. You've not seen any Pentaho here, right? So it will choose between the words given in that. Okay. Hope you understood all this. If you have any questions, queries, just post it on this. I'll clarify. And thank you so much for your time. I'll come up with a different video in my shortly. Until then, thank you so much. Bye.